Yes, you can program your 2003 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma key fob yourself. This covers the basics of DIY keyless entry remote setup. First, ensure you have a compatible key fob for your Tacoma's model year: 314 MHz for 2003 to 2008, 433 MHz for 2009-2015. The process involves synchronizing the remote with your vehicle's immobilizer system. Steps vary by year, but generally include cycling the ignition and pressing buttons on the remote. Confirm synchronization through horn honks or lights flashing. Common tools include a screwdriver for battery access and optionally an OBD2 scanner for easier setup. Basic remotes are usually DIY programmable, but advanced features might need professional help. To program your key fob, first obtain a compatible one that matches your Toyota Tacoma's model year. Enter programming mode by turning the ignition on and off in a specific sequence while holding the key fob buttons. The car will respond with a honk or flashing lights to indicate programming mode. Press the buttons on the new key fob to synchronize it. Repeat the process for additional fobs. Important considerations: rolling codes require reprogramming if desynchronized. Battery life affects range. DIY saves money, but improper programming can cause issues. Always consult your vehicle's manual. Newer OBD2 scanners and online guides simplify the process, but for difficulties or advanced features, see a professional locksmith or Toyota technician to avoid ECU damage.